Hi guys, today I want to unboxing this. This is the cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. Cordless handheld vacuum cleaner by brand Dong Cheng. So this is lithium one, 12 volt, high quality, okay, high quality brand, okay. So this is I want to unboxing today. I want to unboxing this Dong Cheng cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, okay. This look like this, okay. So the model is DCVC1201, okay. So Dong Cheng is from China, made in China. So this is the spec first, okay. Voltage 12 volt DC, power 80 watt, okay, and so on and so forth, okay. So this we look around this box first, okay. Dong Cheng, okay. Like this, and here is this, okay. Dong Cheng. The important is this. This is the important. Authentic. Dong Cheng authentic, okay. Authentic brand. Authentic. I think you can scan. I don't know. Okay. So this. Okay. So I'm gonna unbox from this box. Okay. Let's go inside this box. Okay. With me, okay. Okay. So inside this box, got this one. This is the menu, okay, menu. Okay, how to use the menu. Okay. I'll take it out first. Inside this the vacuum. Okay, I take it out first, everything first, okay. Very simple. This one. Okay, everything. Okay, done. Everything here. No more. Okay. Take it first. Okay, wait, take it first. Okay. This is the menu. So inside there I got this. This one is filter, okay, filter. Can take it out one. Filter. Okay. First filter. This is a header. Inside the filter. This is the filter, the box, and then the handheld handle. Yeah, this one USB port. Okay, so put inside first. Okay, this is the handheld. The power on here, power on. The handheld one, and then this is take it up the button. Okay, then we take this one. The header, the sucker lah, Make it simple first. Take it out first. Okay, like this. Two way. I put here lah, easy for me to use. This one put aside first. Filter put aside first. This is the head. The connector. You see the sucker, the filter, same right. Filter same right. Can on it out, we put it. Okay. Oh, easy, take it like this. Okay. So let's install it. Make it simple lah. Okay, like this. Okay, complete. Okay, complete already. Basically it's like this. So later I will charge it and then to use it, okay, later on, okay. But now I'm ready for unboxing only, okay lah guys. I think more or less like this. Button here, so on and so forth, nothing, okay. This is the brand, okay, Dong Cheng brand, authentic brand. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Yeah, please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you. Bye.